Since 45 years, you've entrusted us with a very crucial part of your home interiors. We have always tried our very best to delight you through the small window of a few square inches we have in your space, through our innovations and design aesthetics. My Space, My Style, a unique concept, allows you to speak about your space through your choice of products. A space that nurtures your soul, awakens your senses, and allows you to rejoice in your individuality. Kolors helps you rediscover your style and up your style quotient. Let's discover your style.